Heroes like Captain America can be so helpful, but can be quite dangerous at the same time. Today's story is about a real-life hero, one that saved millions of lives, but can also be quite dangerous, just like Captain America. It is the small peptide hormone called insulin. Most of us produce insulin naturally from our pancreas. It is released to trigger muscle cells to absorb glucose from the blood, use them as energy, and at the same time, maintain the stable and balanced blood sugar levels. Now, unfortunately, some of us are unable to produce insulin, or they're simply resistant to the effects of insulin. They're known as diabetics. To treat diabetes, the theory is pretty simple. If you lose it, you replace it with synthetic insulin. As scientists learned to know more about insulin, they started to change it to improve its efficiency. Now that's great, but it is time to review the dark side of insulin. Insulin has a second function. It can also promote cell growth. Now, when insulin is produced naturally from your body, the two functions are well balanced. However, some insulin analog can promote too much of the cell growth. And as we all know, uncontrolled cell growth is a hallmark of cancer. So how can my project help? My approach began with chemically altering insulin. This change has led us to discover a new insulin analog that not only can control blood sugar levels effectively, but it also has less cell growth potentials. What is the secret, you may ask? We believe the secret lies within its shape or structure of insulin. Now imagine if insulin is a key. It needs to have the very specific shape to match its lock in order to open it and to activate its biological outcomes. When we chemically change insulin, we may also change its shape and hence change its way of activating or opening the lock. Now our eyes are not designed to see insulin naturally. To help us visualize it, we use a high-resolution technology called X-ray crystallography. And by comparing its shape to a natural shape of insulin, we are able to pinpoint the exact part of insulin that has been changed. This is the part that affects how insulin regulates cell growth. We believe our new insulin analogs is the key to provide us a major leap forward towards understanding insulin, and also to redesign insulin to be a truly cancer-free analog. Thank you.